What's going on, Solidworks ninjas? In this video, I'm going to try just a fun random approach of reviewing some golden Solidworks memes. Just for fun, but you know what? Sometimes fun marketing is the best marketing. I've got a free guide, link below in the description, Making Money with Solidworks, giving it away for free, so make sure you check that out. Subscribe to the channel if you like Solidworks content. Join my Patreon for full exclusive content. And with that said, let's get started. All right, guys, getting into our first Solidworks meme here. We got waited hours for Solidworks to solve a simulation. Didn't answer pop-up prompts to continue simulation. Feeling the burn. I hate when there's a little hidden pop-up that you don't see. You waste all your time, all kinds of hours, just because you didn't see a little Solidworks prompt. Your fault. That's a good one. You can see the blown up food he's got in the microwave. And that face, I feel that because I've experienced that emotion before with Solidworks. That's a good one. I give it a 9 out of 10. On to the next one. All right, our third Solidworks meme, we got me doing engineering using software. You got this cool guy jamming out on the keyboard, doing his Solidworks ninja stuff. And then you got me solving engineering problems by hand. And you've just got, I'm not very good at it, but it doesn't matter. At least you're trying, right? I feel this way a lot with some of these hand calculations. Try doing FEA, PDEs by hand. You'll feel like you'll feel exactly like this feeling. I like that. I give this a 9.5 out of 10. All right. Next, we have a little comic strip. It's the Solidworks execs getting ready for their next release, brainstorming ideas. All right, we need new Solidworks improvements. And their little stupid board meeting. New icon and graphics, new logo, new tools. This guy, the actual engineer, make it more stable and less crashing and fix all the urgent bugs with the software. Of course, the guy with the good idea gets thrown out of the room, thrown out the window. But yep, that sounds about right with all these little Solidworks iterations that they're clearly just looking for a money grab, not actually solving core issues. I like it. Give it a 9 out of 10. And the finale, we got the classic meme, Solidworks, why you no fully defined? I've been there. I've felt that feeling before that this meme expresses with just trying to lock down a sketch, and for some reason, however many endless constraints you give the sketch, it just does not want to get locked down. That's a classic. 10 out of 10 for me. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Something different from the usual, just for fun. But you know what? Fun marketing is where it's at. If you want to learn how to make money with Solidworks, promote your Solidworks brand, I've got the link in the description for a free guide. Check it out. Share this video. We'll see you on the next one.